Word Up Florida, Brasspineapple Productions. This is Jason over here on my whiteboard session of July 8, 2026 on a Wednesday. And I just want to go over just Word Up Florida real quick. If you're seeing this video, you're seeing it on Word Up Florida, and I will put it on YouTube as well. And please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you want, you don't have to. It's just, or you maybe just click to another video and just say the hell with this guy. It's cool. I won't take offense to it. But if you're new to Word Up Florida, it's about music, arts, food, local Florida culture. I have some little ramblings. I like art, and I try to conglomerate all these things into content for the channel. So if you're scaling through and you see me talking about products or shoes or food or these random videos, I did all the creation for that. There's no AI involved in this whatsoever. It's just 15 years of grind. And Word Up Florida has been going since 2024. So I started that somewhat a couple of years ago, and it's been cool. I've been building it little by little, and just putting in my time on that. Making it an effort to try to do stuff daily. I do a lot of content. The numbers are slowly increasing. They're slowly going up. I do it the organic kind of route. I don't spend a lot of money. I don't push a lot of money to my content. I just naturally put it out there. I'm not one of those people that inflates things or pushes stuff bigger than it is. It's like a baseline. Word Up Florida is honestly like a baseline of Instagram. It's the growth is provided as it comes in. I don't push it. I just put it out there. But if a client wants me to spend money on it, I don't mind. I'll do that. Whatever denomination they might feel is, affordable for them or what they might need. So that is pretty much it. So that's it. Word Up Florida. Check it out on Instagram. You'll see it on this video, and if not, YouTube. And it's a project. It's growing. I hope to make it a bigger thing one day, and that's pretty much the word. As always, like, subscribe, share, comment, or don't. Either way, it's appreciated. Best if you do. God bless. Be good to each other. Peace. I'm out.